Hi everyone, I hope you like our previous videos on integration. In this video, we will talk about integration by parts method. We have already uploaded substitution method of integration. Please go and watch it. Also, please subscribe our channel for more such videos. So let's start. We use this method when we have an integration in this form. Integration ux vx dx. Okay, that means this integrand is a product of two functions of x, that is, one is u and another is v. Someone may ask that why can't we use substitution method of integration? Yes, you definitely can use substitution method, but what happens, sometimes it's very tough to use that method. The function you are substituting might not be the best function to be replaced, and even after substitution you are not getting a simple function to integrate. So in those problems we use this integration by parts method. Okay, that may be more suitable method to work with. Now let's see the formula of integration by parts method. So when you have this kind of integration ux vx dx, I am writing this as integration uv dx. Okay, this is actually, these two are same, this is just shorter formula. Okay, so this is equal to u into integration v dx, okay, minus integration du dx integration v dx and whole dx. So this is the formula. This whole term is actually inside this integration. So you don't forget this. Okay. You remember this formula like this. Okay. Here u is the first function and v is the second function. I repeat, u is the first function and v is the second function. Okay. So I am writing this formula in words now. Okay. First function into integration of second function, okay, minus this part I am writing, okay, and for this part this is integration of derivative of first function into integration of second function. So if you remember like this will be much convenient. Okay, so this is the formula. When you apply this method, you always be careful to choose that which function should be the first function u and which function should be the second function v. Okay. Okay, so let's take a simple example. Integration log of 1 minus x divided by x square dx. Okay, we will solve this problem by integration by parts method. Okay, so here log 1 minus x, this will be the first function. I am taking like this. Okay, and this 1 by x square, this function will be the second function. So now let's apply the formula I have told you. Okay, so log 1 minus x will be there. Now integration of 1 by x square dx. Okay, then minus integration of differentiation of this first function, so d dx of this log 1 minus x, and integration of this second, so 1 by x square dx, and then whole dx will come. Okay, so now this is nothing but minus 1 by x, so log of 1 minus x into 1 minus x, sorry, minus 1 by x, and then integration of this differentiation will be minus 1 by 1 minus x, okay, and this integration is this, so minus 1 by x dx, okay. Then in the next line you can write it as minus 1 by x log of 1 minus x, then this minus and this minus will be plus, so this is nothing but integration 1 by x into 1 minus x dx, okay. Now this term you can write it as, this term will be there, so 1 minus x. Now this you can write it as integration of 1 by x plus 1 by 1 minus x, okay, dx. Now if you do the LCM, it will be x into 1 minus x, so this will go up, 1 minus x plus x will get cancelled, so this is exactly same with this term, okay. Now this integration is very simple, okay. So what will be the answer? Minus 1 by x into log of 1 minus x minus log of mod x plus log of mod 1 minus x plus c. This is the answer. You can further simplify it, okay. I am leaving that calculation part to you, okay. So this was a problem solved by integration by parts method. So I hope you like this video, and if you do, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. I will see you in the next video.